Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today we are in Las Vegas, fabulous Las Vegas, on the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip to visit the sister tower to the Wynn Hotel and Casino. We're going to check out the Encore Hotel and Casino today. I've always said if you love butterflies, you're going to love the Encore because, well, they're everywhere in this hotel and casino. By the way, there's a famous celebrity who is infatuated with butterflies, a famous singer-songwriter. Can you name that person? Leave a comment below. Anyway, as I said, the resort is connected to its sister resort, the Wynn Las Vegas. Both are owned by Wynn Resorts and located on the site of the old Desert Inn Resort. The resort also includes Wynn Plaza, a 76,000 square foot retail area. And as far as Wynn Plaza and Wynn Hotel and Casino, they are both separate videos here on the New York channel, so check those out. But today we're here to check out the Encore Hotel and Casino, so let's go inside and see what's going on. Shall we? So, pretty fancy schmancy, huh? Well, I really love the Encore as well as the Wynn Hotel and Casino. I've never stayed here. I can't afford it. They never run any deals, unlike the Palazzo and the Bellagio, which you can usually get at a good price. Sometimes you find a deal at the Palazzo or the Venetian or the Bellagio, and I grab them. But Wynn and Encore don't run those deals, so I've never stayed here. Hopefully someday when I become a bazillionaire, I will stay in one of the rooms and bring you guys a room tour. But until then, let's just walk around the first couple of floors. And by the way, hypothetically, let's just say one day I do become a bazillionaire. Do you think I'd still maintain the New York channel? Leave a comment below. Doobie doobie doo.
You know, a fella could get an education just listening to this guy.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Here we have the pool area of the Encore and Wynn Tower, the Wynn Tower being in the background shot here. Breezy day, the grounds around the pool are beautifully and meticulously landscaped. I have to tell you guys, this looks exactly like my backyard if you took away the palm trees and all that landscaping, as well as the pool and the beautiful weather and the tower in the background. This looks just like my yard.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
Encore and Wynn Las Vegas collectively hold more Forbes Travel Guide 5-star awards than any other resort and casino in the world. Encore, where we are today, has also been awarded a AAA 5 Diamond Award every year since opening. The entire complex, which includes Wynn and Encore towers, has a total of 4,748 rooms, making it the world's 7th largest hotel. Wow, you could land a plane in this spot. Very unusual for a casino. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video.
One, two, three.
Please subscribe to New York channel. Oh, okay, I forgot. Okay, let's do it.
One, two, three.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. Woo!
Smile. One, two, three. Okay. One, two, three.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. You can do it again. We'll do it again.
One time.
That's okay.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
Okay.
One, two, three.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. Woo!
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.